Guys, today we're going to make this fried fish with a caramelized onion dish. So we're going to make this today. So let's get started. I've got about 4 or 5 pieces of fish. You can use cod, you can use haddock. I've got midcamas, which is a Bangladeshi fish here. But you can use any fish really you want. Salmon tastes quite nice with this as well. So we've got some a little plate full of fish, a couple of pieces sliced into nice chunks like this. Okay, so and then here I've got coriander, garlic, sliced onions. I'm going to saute this and make this into a nice a complement to the fish. Okay, I'm going to start off with a bit of salt. So about a teaspoon of salt. So bung that in. Okay, so there's my salt. Okay, the next thing is about a teaspoon of turmeric. So I'm going to put that in. Okay. Then I'm going to put half a teaspoon of coriander powder. A little bit of garlic, sort of chopped up and mashed. Bung that in. And then what I'm going to do is put about 2 spoons of sunflower oil, and then a dollop of lemon juice, about sort of a slice. So just put that in. Okay. And I'm just going to put a bit of coriander in as well. So a little bit of coriander. Mix it all together. Mix it all together. Okay, now drop the fish in gently. Okay, and just like coat this up really nicely like this. So this is your marinade. Let that marinate for about 5 to 6 hours. You can leave it overnight, you can leave it 24 hours. Once it's marinated, this fish will be really nice to fry. But I would leave this for at least 12 hours. You can leave it longer, to tell you the truth, and then it'll be ready for cooking. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, add your garlic. Give it a little stir. Okay, so we're going to caramelize the onions. So we need to make sure that the cooked onions, garlic, 2 chilies are cooked. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the caramelized onions out, and in the oil we're going to cook the fish. So we're going to do the 2 things separate because we want the rich, sweet taste of the onions, and then we're going to cook the fish separately within this dish. I'm just going to put the onions in now. So I cut 2 onions. So the more onions, the better. So so make sure they're like sort of thinly sliced. I cut these a couple of hours ago, so a bit of the onion sort of kind of smell goes. So yeah, just caramelize these. You want them nicely caramelized. I've got those in. Okay, these have been cooking for about 5 minutes now. With the lid on, you can clearly see they're starting to caramelize. Okay, give it a little stir. They've definitely gone down in sort of size as well. And I'm just going to put a little bit of salt in, just a little bit, probably about a teaspoon. I'll just put that in. Okay, I want this bit to be more sugary, more sweet in taste. Give it a little stir again. I'm going to put some chilies in. Put those to the side. And I'm going to put a bit of coriander on all of this as well. Push those to the side. I'm just going to cook these separately, these chilies, as you can see. Put the lid back on. Another 5 minutes. Okay, it's cooking for about 5 minutes now. And there's definitely a nice caramelization going on. I'm going to mix all the onions together now. just going to give it a bit of lemon juice. Okay guys, these onions have been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and I'm just going to take them out. You can see they're all wilted down. That's how you want them. Nice and caramelised. You can see clearly the size. I had 2 large onions really. Like you see there's not that much once it's gone down. So I'm just going to take all this out. There you go, onions. Okay, now the onions sort of heated up. I'm going to put my fish in. That's been marinated for a good 6 hours. You might want to put the heat down. Okay. Just move them around a little bit so they don't stick. And then let that cook off for a couple of minutes and I'll turn them over. Okay, I've turned this around both ways. And I'm going to let this cook about 6 minutes on both sides. Depends how well you like it. You can have it 10 minutes, but I'm going to have it about 6 minutes both sides. Let it simmer on a low heat, and then I'm going to take them off ready to serve. Okay, guys, and here is the final product. Fish with caramelized onions, put some peppers and a bit of mint sauce to go with this dish. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and see you for the next video.